Let me give you some tips for cleaning the charging port or USB-C port on Google Pixel 10 with some household items. So if you want to clean the USB-C port on your Google Pixel 10, before you start doing that, it is recommended to turn off the device. You always power down your phone before cleaning to avoid short circuits. Besides that, you can use a wooden or plastic toothpick. You can gently insert it into the port. You can scrape out lint, dust, or debris with light motions. You want to avoid metal items like paper clips or needles because they can bend pins that we have inside the port or cause shorts. If you have compressed air, then it is also a pretty good tool that allows you to get rid of some dust, for example, that you have inside the port. And if you don't have a compressed air can, apparently you can use a clean straw and you can blow lightly into the port using that straw over here in order to clean out the dust. You want to avoid using your mouth directly because it adds moisture and therefore you can harm the port. You can use a dry, soft bristle toothbrush to gently brush the inside edges of the port. However, do not use water or cleaning agents. Adhesive putty is also a pretty good choice for cleaning the port. Roll a tiny ball of adhesive putty like poster tack, and you can lightly press it against the port opening to lift dust. However, make sure that no putty residue stays inside. Now, in terms of things and tools that you should not use are, for example, metal pins, needles, or paper clips because you risk of scratching or bending. Do not use liquids like water or cleaning sprays inside the port. And in addition to that, you can technically use a cotton swab or Q-tip with isopropyl alcohol that has at least 70%, but you don't want to put it inside the port, but actually just use it outside of it, around it, in order to clean the port if it's dirty. You don't want to insert cotton swabs inside because they can shed fibers. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.